Is it cheaper to buy or build a new house in 2023? Unveiling the cost consideration. Hey there, future homeowners. This is KG with Fairfax Realty in Greenbelt, where we help home buyers like yourself, sellers, and investors achieve their real estate goals. So, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am tackling a question that is on the minds of many home buyers. Is it cheaper to buy or build a new house in 2023? I am going to dive deep into the cost consideration to help you make an informed decision about buying new or not. So before we begin, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future updates on real estate insight and tips. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. So there's a lack of inventory in the market. The number of available homes for sale in the DMV, even around the country, is lower when you compare to the number of buyers looking to buy. Many are frustrated and many are outbid in this ultra competitive market, despite offering full price, sometimes even above asking price. I've got so many offers, and because of this, many people are asking, is it cheaper, right? Is it cheaper to build your own home or just continue this process? So the answer to this question can be very complicated. It's not just a straight shot thing. It can be very complicated because each home is unique and costs vary by location. Even in the DMV, it varies. But here's what you need to know when it comes to finding your dream home. The decision between buying an existing house or building a new one is a significant consideration, right? Cost consideration. Both options have their merits, but what is the bottom line at the end of the day? Is it cheaper to buy or to build? So let me dive into the key cost consideration to help you make an informed choice and informed decision. The first cost is upfront cost. So when you buy an existing home, the upfront costs typically include the purchase price, right? The closing costs, and then if the house is not up to what you want, the renovation cost to tailor the house to your preference. On the other hand, building a new house entails upfront costs such as purchasing the land, design, the architect fees, structural fees, structural engineer, permits, construction expenses. While building from scratch might have higher upfront costs, not that might, it does have higher upfront costs, but it allows you to customize your home to exactly what you envision it to be. The second cost consideration is actually customization, right? Buying an existing home may require some renovation to align with your taste and needs, if they're not up to what you want it to be, which can really incur additional expenses. However, if you're building a new house, it offers the advantage of tailoring every detail to your liking, potentially saving you money on renovation down the road because you tailor it to your liking. The third cost is the maintenance and repairs. Newly built home often comes with warranties. The architect, the builder will give you a warranty that covers the maintenance and repair for a certain period of time. This ultimately will result in lower immediate costs compared to buying an older home that might require immediate repairs or updates depending on the condition of the house. The first cost consideration is the energy efficiency. Newly constructed homes tend to be more energy efficient because they are incorporating the latest technologies and material that will save you money on utilities in the long run because they're using energy efficient material. The fifth consideration is the resale value. So while building a custom home might provide you with features now that perfectly suit your lifestyle, it is essential, however, to consider the potential resale value, because when you customize it, the resale value, it may be difficult to resell. But buying an existing home in a desirable location could offer a solid investment with potentially a quicker return when you're ready to sell it. The sixth cost is the location. Location. So the cost of land and construction material vary significantly by location. Even Maryland, DC, and Virginia, consider the cost of buying land in your preferred area and how it might impact the overall expense of building a house. The cost really makes a lot of difference, the location. Number 7 is the time and effort. Whew! So building a new home requires that you have time to coordinate, to have time to make decisions throughout the construction process. This is not a joke. But if time is of the essence for you, buying an existing home might be more efficient choice. But if you have the time, you may do that. In the end, whether it's cheaper to buy or build a new home largely depends on your unique preference. It depends on your budget, your long-term goal. It does depend on this. But if you're still unsure of which option is right for you, reach out to me. I will break it down for you. I'm here to provide you personalized advice and guide you through this important decision, let you know what the cost of land is in this area. Remember, making an informed decision ensures that your new home, whether an existing home or you built it from scratch, it is an haven that you've always dreamed of. So thanks for tuning in today. If you find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time,